Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on NOKIA G22. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Now find Microsoft Edge. Right here you should see the install button just like this. So click on it. When it's ready, you can click on the open. There's a little introduction that you can view, but it's not necessary. I'm gonna skip it. Here we can customize the homepage with show wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Click on next. Sign in to turn on synchronization with other Edge browsers and devices. I'm gonna click on not now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And here you can share your data with Microsoft. If you want, then accept. If not, leave it empty and click on confirm. From here the browser is ready and we can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.